Good morning, dear students. Last topic I have completed other uses of plants. We get wood from plants and we get medicines from plants. Now we get fibers from some plants. We get fibers from some plants. Some plants like cotton and jute give us fiber. Cotton fiber is spun and made into cloth. Flax and jute fibers are used for making robes. Flax and jute fiber, these are the plant fibers, and these flax and jute fibers are used for making robes, strings and gunny bags. Fiber from coconuts called coir. Fibers getting from the coconuts called coir, and this coir is used for making carpets, mats, strings and ropes. We get fibers from the some plants, and this flax and jute plant fibers, and we are getting from the plants, and it is used for making ropes, strings and gunny bags. And fiber we are getting from the coconut is called the coir. Fiber we are getting from the coconuts is called the coir, and this coir is used for making carpets, mats, strings and ropes. You can see in the diagram cotton plant, cotton shirt, jute plant, jute fibers, jute fiber obtained, and then it is help in making rope, bags. Coconut tree fibers we are getting from the coconut tree. This is called the coir, and this coir is help in making mats and ropes. Now we get paper, gums and rubber from plants. We get paper, gums and rubber from plants. We get paper from bamboo tree. Paper we are getting from the bamboo tree. Paper we are getting from the bamboo tree, and pulp of many trees also. And paper is used for making notebooks, books, diaries, etc. We get paper from the bamboo tree and pulp of many trees also, and paper is used to make notebooks, books, diaries, etc. We get gum from kikar tree, and we get gum from kikar tree. This is the kikar tree, and from the kikar tree getting gum. Gum is used to make glue, and gum is used to make glue. Sap of the rubber tree is made into rubber. Sap of the rubber tree is made into the rubber, and rubber is used to make tires, pipes, etc. What is used of rubber? Rubber is used to make tires, pipes, etc. Rubber is used to make tires, pipes, etc. Paper we are getting from the bamboo tree and pulp of many trees. Paper is used for making notebooks, books, diaries, etc. And we are getting gum from the kikar tree, and this gum is used to make glue, and sap of the rubber tree is made into rubber, and rubber is used to make tires, pipes, etc. Now bamboo tree, you can see that it is used in the making paper. This kikar tree, and we are getting gum, glue, and from the rubber tree, rubber sap, and it is help in making tires, pipes, etc. You can see in the diagram bamboo tree we are getting paper, kikar tree we are getting gum, rubber sap getting tires, pipes, etc.